Hello, I'm Brian. Today I'll be presenting Powergrout, TEC's ultimate performance cementitious grout. TEC offers a full lineup of different quality and types of grout, such as AccuColor, TEC's standard sanded and unsanded grout, InColor, a premium premix grout, AccuColor EFX, a 3-component epoxy grout, and many more. Not to forget the AccuColor siliconized acrylic latex caulking, available in sanded, unsanded, and 100% silicone in all 32 TEC grout colors for a perfect match. Getting back to Powergrout. This is a fine aggregate product, meaning that there's not a sanded or unsanded option. Typically, you would use unsanded grout for joint widths from a 16 to an 1/8 of an inch and sanded for an 1/8 of an inch and up. Powergrout's universal mix allows for joints as narrow as a 1/16 of an inch all the way up to 1/2 inch wide. Powergrout can be used for residential to heavy commercial projects, interior or exterior applications, and intermittently wet or submerged applications. This is a fast-setting grout, yet allows the installer plenty of time to apply the grout before it sets up. Powergrout develops an exceptional compressive strength, which gives it its high stain resistance and eliminates the need to be sealed once it has dried. Powergrout is also an efflorescence-free product, a key feature for shower applications. As far as applications go, like most cementitious products, there is a minimum and a maximum water recommendation, which varies from 850 milliliters to 1.04 liters. The low water ratio will be ideal for vertical applications, whereas the high water ratio allows for easier horizontal applications. TEC recommends mixing for 2 minutes at low speed, approximately 350 RPMs, and a slaking period of 3 to 5 minutes. Then mix again for about 30 to 60 seconds before applying. This mix will have a pot life of about 35 to 55 minutes, depending on the water quantity, and should be dry to the touch within 15 to 30 minutes, depending on site conditions. You want to start cleaning the grout once it stops transferring to the touch, as this is the ideal time for ease of cleanup with a minimal risk of emptying out the joint of the freshly applied Powergrout. As far as cleanup goes, Powergrout is a great product to work with. However, there are certain textured tiles that will require a little bit more effort. To make your task a little easier in these situations, let's have a look at the basic installation guidelines and some helpful grout accessories. It's always recommended to humidify the tile with your sponge prior to the application of the grout. You may also consider using a grout release product such as Aquamix's Grout Release. This product will leave a temporary water-soluble film on the surface of the tile, greatly easing the cleanup of the grout. This product is applied 45 to 60 minutes prior to grouting. Another helpful accessory is a good quality sponge. Remoney has a great system called Easy, which is comprised of a large format sponge and bucket, complete with rollers to eliminate excess water, and a bag system for easy cleanup and disposal. For smaller areas, please consider their 2-sided SweepX sponge and Centura's microfiber sponge with a standard Hydra side and the other a microfiber cloth, greatly improving the contact with the tile and making those final passes really efficient. I hope you found this video informative. Please leave your comments and follow us on our platforms. Thank you.